27 Abdul Kalam Memorial Day. Today, remember a great Indian Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He wasn't just a scientist or a president. He was an inspiration to all of us. He taught us the importance of dreaming big and working hard to achieve those dreams. As we remember him today, let's all promise to follow his example. Let's dream big, work harder, and contribute to building a better India, a strong India. Just like Dr. Kalam and said, thank you.